Hello everyone and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, showing you guys some really healthy, delicious recipe ideas. They're all gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, mainly grain-free, but all of them are delicious. It is 9:48 and I'm going to make breakfast. This is typically the time I make breakfast. I do practice intermittent fasting, both for like the gut health benefits, the hormone benefits, just overall health benefits, because it does allow your body to go through autophagy, which is like the cleaning out of the garbage in your system. So I was thinking I'm going to make some pumpkin French toast. I was gonna have a pumpkin bagel, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you're not, you should. It's just Keep Up With Liv. I'll leave it here. They are so good, these pumpkin bagels that I made yesterday, but I'll leave that link down below and I'll make the pumpkin French toast instead, so you guys can see me make something, because the bagels are already ready. You would just pop it in the toaster. So let's go ahead and make some pumpkin French toast. It's a bit gloomy today. I feel like it's the perfect breakfast for a gloomy fall day. So I have my egg. I'm gonna be adding some of this Nut Pods creamer to the little mixture we're gonna dip our bread in. I'm gonna add in some pumpkin puree topped with chopped pecans, and then this is the bread I'm using. It's from Unbun. It's just a paleo, gluten-free, keto type bread. We're gonna mix this together, dip our bread, cook it in the pan. Let's go. So this is the finished French pumpkin toast. We have a little bit of plant-based butter on the top, some chopped pecans, lots of pumpkin flavor. Excited to dig in. So I just had some clients this morning. I had my team meeting with Kelsey, who helps me run my business, and I'm gonna make some lunch. Actually, no, by the time it's done, I might be eating it. Usually, like I eat lunch around 2, but I have a call at like 1:30, so I might eat before, I might eat after. Either way, I'm gonna prep it now. I'm basically gonna do like what I call like a fridge bowl or a fridge salad, which I take whatever kind of vegetables I have and I make a bowl. I'll put on either some like vegan feta, some hummus. I have both today, so we'll do both. Roast some veggies, kind of do a combo, throw a protein in, throw some crunch, and it's that simple. I really like texture, so like some crunch, some this and that, to make it more of a fun meal. It's one of my things when making healthy bowls, is I like texture, like a crunch, a soft, like flavors, herbs, all of that to make it extra yummy. So I'm gonna throw some broccoli into the oven to roast up, spinach, some hard-boiled eggs. We've got some Lebanese hummus, tomato I'm gonna cut up, some vegan feta, make kind of like a hodgepodge, roast this, eggs, something crunchy. We'll see what I find in my cupboard. And so I'm just gonna take this ginger shot before lunch. I make them at home with just a blender, ginger water, and a nut milk bag. It's really easy. I'll leave my reel down below. Takes 60 seconds, inexpensive, good for gut health, good for inflammation, and all of that. All right, bottoms up. So this is my finished salad. We have the broccoli, spinach, eggs, vegan feta. I put on some pumpkin seeds, the tomato. So yum. So I'm gonna prep some green enchiladas for dinner. I have never made it, but I have this green enchilada sauce from Siete that I wanted to use. I'm gonna use some chicken and peppers. Here, I'll show you. I've got chicken, peppers. I'm gonna cook that up in some of the sauce. And then I found these coconut wraps. I'm gonna put it in here, wrap it, bake it. I'm assuming it's gonna turn out good. I mean, how bad can it taste? So I have my cooked chicken and peppers. I put a little bit of the enchilada sauce on the base of the baking dish. I grated some of the cheese, we have our tortillas. I'm gonna assemble all of them and let's go. So the enchiladas are out of the oven. I topped it with some pickled onion, fresh avocado, and cilantro. Hey guys, it is a different day. I completely forgot to finish the outro yesterday for the what I eat in a day. I also wanted to note that I did end up having 3 of the enchiladas, just so you know, in terms of like portions. They're like, oh, that wasn't that big. I did have 3 of the enchiladas. And then at night, which I forgot to film, I did make some of this Organifi chocolate gold. It is so good. It is like a decadent hot chocolate in a mug. It's really good for relaxation. It has turmeric, ginger, cocoa, reishi, lemon balm, turkey tail, coconut milk, black pepper, and Ceylon cinnamon. All organic. It is incredible. Like, I cannot get over how delicious this tastes without having like any kind of weird sugars. It has how many sugars? 1 gram of sugar per serving, which is insane. Tastes so good. It is like my fall drink of choice. Not sponsored, but I will leave the link. I do have a coupon code that I will leave, but yeah, not sponsored. I genuinely use it pretty much almost, I would say, like 5 days a week. And I also really love the green juice as well, which I'll leave it down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day. Also, when you're watching this, Soul Ascension is open, which is my new course to kind of teach you not only how to tap into your intuitive gifts, but also the clairs, developing your psychic abilities, learning to read the Akashic Records, and all of that magic. So I'm really excited for that. If that's something that appeals to you, you want to learn about manifesting, how to supercharge your manifestation skills to bring in more abundance and love and basically anything you dream of, I'm teaching that inside Soul Ascension as well. So I will leave that down below. I'm also going to leave my last What I Ate in a Day here on the screen so you can check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.